Look at that. Golly. Oh, big old pile up over there in the turn. Oh! What is up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. We hopping back in another vid. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Blessed to see another day. And of course, as always, I'm running late. So we gonna meet up with the boys here on the highway. Ooh, that deer got smacked. That it won't by me. Anyway, we gonna meet up with the boys. And we about to cruise 4 deep down to Mooresville. Brandon just got his shit retuned on E85. Made 458 wheel. That's a sighting. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? The sheets down the road also gonna have E85. So that means we will be retuning this Subaru. Try to catch up with the boy Brendan. Probably won't though, he's got a little bit bigger turbo, bigger injectors, but if we can get over the 400 mark, like solid, like maybe 420, hey, we can get that to the wheel, your boy be real happy.
To understand that there's nothing left to fight for, and there's nothing left to say. I don't wanna crash anymore. I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away, yeah. I don't wanna crash anymore. I can hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away.
We have made it to the car show here at the Mooresville Trackhouse Motorplex. The homie Brendan. You got wifey to bring the GTI out today. People checking out our whip. And the homie Owen down here too. Rolling in deep today. Not too bad to be caught in a little rain on our way down here. Got them cleaned up pretty nice, Let's go see what we can see. Got us a Sonic Gray Pearl FL5 Type R. Setting on some Regenmeisters. Oh, part next to the Porsche. Got the Mook down too. I guess he checked the forecast. It might not rain no more today. We lucky. R34 Sedan GTT. HKS front mount intercooler. RB26 nice Garrett turbo with the Grady intake. Solid, okay. Setting on some beautiful work wheels and an ideal big brake kit. Okay, carbon wing out back too, dude. I rock the f at the sedan. This thing is sweet. Cause I mean, you get that R34 rear end and 4 doors for the babies. Hell yeah! From the 4-door GTT to the Mark IV Supra, 2JZ, big turbo, no shit. Work wheels, solid fitment, some Recaros in here, right-hand drive too. There's always something nice about that rear end right there. 4B11T ETS front mount intercooler. Looks like a little wide body. Black RPF ones, the red Brimbos. Big APR carbon wings. And trunk. Nice. Looks like we got a drift missile in progress. I see some old school work DS wheels. Okay, I see the vision, dog. I see the vision. Got a Grady front lip. Some crazy wheels. I like the Nardo gray look with the bronze wheels. Got a little 8.6 pulling in over here. Some ESRs, lower too. Look like a big old Tomei sticking out the back. World Rally Blue STI with some NKs and Michelin wheels. They know what's up. With the carbon hood, hell yeah. Got the Kansei wheels on the Type R. The Boost Blue, I believe. FK8. Clean Beamer, setting on like some 2-piece ESRs. Beautiful fitment. Low too. A little different. Got this BMW here. Setting on some Kansei tandems. JDM style wheel. And here's a Drift C6 Corvette on Advan Tees with a bunch of damn angle. I'd say budget drift build, but the Corvette ain't really budget. There's that 8.6 carbon hood. Felt the raindrop. Not cool. ESRs, fit in there real nice. It's a little hatchback on some Kansei KMPs. Y'all know I love the hatches. I love the yellow. Something about them 90s Hondas, boy. They just hit different. Montana tags and a Lotte. And a parachute, Jesus. This C5 is sick. Got some updated headlights, front lip, clean wheels, red guts. Oh, old school trunk setup too. Shit. Full Rally Blue STI, the Subaru Rally Team livery. Okay. See, the pink pops with the blue. All my initial D fans, where are you at for this 8.6 Torino, the 4AGE? You got the ITBs. Okay, Takumi. Proper wheels too. It was black and white. If it was the Panda. I like it though. Man, got a slick in the wheels. What the hell she got under this type bar? See a Mishimoto intercooler. What else you got under there, sir? Big body, right hand drive, sitting on some gorgeous Voss on the wheels. VIP'd out. You know, kick back, relax, have a drink when somebody drives you around. That's what this style's all about. And complete contrast of styles. Got the Jägermeister livery with the HRE wheels. Ooh, gorgeous wheels. The Jägermeister livery goes hard too. The M2 got us another right-hand drive VIP whip. The old school antenna sticking up. Big boy wheels, mirrored tint. And here's another one. This one rocking the Greddy front mount intercooler. TE37s. And it's tint so dark you can't see the interior, so you do what you want in there. That's pretty cool. You don't see a lot of these. FB RX7. Those people probably don't even know what it is. FB, right? Yeah. I like it, man. B-swap EK hatch, sitting on some baby Regenmeisters with the spoon big brake kit. Legit Civic Type R, hell yeah. This EK, this one's a sedan, TE37s with the clean engine bay. This thing's like immaculate. Straight out the Honda dealerships what this look like. M3 with the carbon front lid, carbon grills. Hell yeah, like a chalk white, chalk gray, whatever you call the color. Big old giant Valtronic exhaust too. I bet this thing rips. Midnight purple R34 GTR. This thing is sick. Volt TE37s. Thing is gorgeous. V-Spec 2 Nerve. Goddamn money. Yeah, it's got the Tomei out back. LOL 2J. I'm sorry guys. I think the RV sounds better than the 2J. Accurate, MSX, looks bone stock. Yes, this thing is so sick. Oh no, it's got a little exhaust on there. She ain't totally stock. Take a look at this Subaru WRX. Plenty of work, lots of carbon under here. Like I said, it's got a rotated intake manifold, front mount intercooler, carbon everywhere. Crazy wrapper paint, like that damn cartoon on these beautiful gold Cosmos Racing wheels. Yeah, this thing is wild. Look like a shit popped off a damn comic book. Oh, I like the wing too, big diffuser. Okay, NVIDIA N1 dual out the back. 370Z, good fitment. Carbon fiber accents. I like the color of that wrap. There we go, Audi R8. Beautiful wheels, murdered out. I like that little pop of the blue. Hell yeah. R35. Another R35. Looks like the midnight purple. R32. Sitting on some NK R-line wheels. R35 sitting on the Advan GTs. And now another R35 GTR sitting on some Rohana wheels. Boy, you got the Workmeisters on the TL. Okay, I see you, I see you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the wide body bagged Ferrari. Oh shit, this thing is gorgeous. Carbon lip, literally laying on the ground. Beautiful fitment on the wide body. Crazy wheels. Woo. Air suspension set up in the middle. Straight up race car. Turned into a Stancy Boy show car. Look at that. Golly. I can't even imagine how much money they done put in this Rari. Can't do shit with money. I mean, you can do this. But you can't stop nobody with money. Lord, we've seen this thing a time or 3, but it is beautiful nonetheless. RB26, wide body kit, beautiful work wheels, Greddy and Bread collab bucket seats. Goodness, this thing is gorgeous. And this very bright green Mark IV Supra has caught Jolie's attention. She loves it. Says it's a beautiful green. Says it's a neon green. I said, you're right, baby. It's very bright. Gorgeous CCW wheels. Heck yeah, dude. This thing, it is really nice, Jolie. It's got a carbon fiber blade on the wing. You guys remember the stock NSX from up top. This NSX is anything but stock. Beautiful bronze Volt TE37s. Gorgeous wrap or paint. Recaro buckets. Big carbon wing. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Sheet of jam. Got the light show going on. You love it? Jolie loves the light show. I like those wheels though. Whew. Yeah. Awesome. Very nice.
Look in the back.
I know, it's a VIP setup. Got the Tesla style steering wheel.
LED light.
The LED lights, yeah, got LED lights everywhere. Look, you know your...
He didn't walk on the floor.
I know, you know your stuff, don't you? Let's take a look at the trunk setup, Jolie. Oh, that's pretty cool. Good day. Oh, I know. Whoever this is, Jolie's impressed. Thumbs up.
More LED.
Yep, more LED lights, yep. It's R33, part next to an Integra Type R. Nice little booth lineup. Gorgeous S15, looking like a midnight purple style wrap. Work Meisters, okay, dude. Thing is gorgeous. You hear the two-step, but we ain't getting over there. Cool wide body S2K that has been boosted. Hood exit. Gorgeous precision turbo. I bet this thing gets down. Giant wide body. Gorgeous bronze TE37s. Brid Lomaxes. Got the cage for when shit goes crazy. Probably some rigidity with all that power too. Got a J's Racing wing. FKA Type R. Polished Regameisters. Giant splitter from Race Breed. Carbon lip, Ferraris wide body, Recaro buckets, Voltex carbon wing, Mugen tail light, Remark exhaust, clean Civic S sides, wide body part next to this disgusting boosted EG hatch, full carbon front end, clear hood to show you the business before you kit the business, if you know what I mean. Giant precision turbo, slicks on all fours. Because all-wheel drive, sequential trans, full roll cage, carbon buckets, carbon roof, spoiler, parachute. You know they say not to f with the Civics with the laptops. You really don't f with the Civics with the parachute. Always a beauty to see. Wide body, Evo, gorgeous bronze T37s. We've seen it on the hood before, but it's close today. I mean, gorgeous carbon hood. Front lip, canards, red Brid buckets to go with the Brid back seats, dude. That's so clean. We'll shed a little light on there for y'all. Come out here to the big giant carbon wing. Huge toe mate sticking out the back.
We want to say we appreciate you guys.
You like the LED lights?
Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to,
I know.
go on the shows for you guys. So y'all give yourselves a round of applause. We
Don't touch that. It's super cool though, ain't it?
I know it's been a long day, so
I know.
get this started.
It's an awesome setup, ain't it? Your mom would love it. I think it's super cool. Manual?
And I see something cool.
The bronze wheels? Ooh. Okay. Clean little GTI. And Corvette. Oh, I know. Carbon fenders. All kinds of carbon goodies. Oh, and it's on there. And BBS's. Oh, shit. Man, this is a badass vet. Ooh. Goddamn. Super clean, 2G Eclipse, carbon hood. That's the Autohan wheels, carbon lip. Oh, turbo with the hood exit. Okay, okay. Look like that 4G63 put in some work. There's the homie Brendan, Ari, and Owen. That was fun. Oh, big old pile up over there in the turn. Oh, damn. He really f***ed up. They can't handle the rain. It's a little rain. It's slick out there. Man, that looks like a ton of fun. I think I'm gonna have to do that next time we come here. We may just have to come here, make a whole video out of it, see how terrible I am at racing go-karts.